Welcome back. Previously we covered range, enumerate as well as list, and this session we're going to go into something a little bit different. Break, continue, and else clause for loops. Okay, the learning outcomes here is really or how does the break statement works. Breaks all of the innermost enclosing for or while loop. Now break only works on for and while loop. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, so we're still playing with our friend here, the fruit collection. So we're doing a for loop of the fruit collection. So if it's equal to durian, remember the break doesn't apply to if, only applies to for. If is equal to durian, print found the smelly fruit, okay, and print the actual fruit name, which is obviously if it equals to durian, that's it. Otherwise, I love this fruit. Okay, so when you actually break here, it doesn't actually break out of if, it breaks the whole for loop, then rambutan will not be actually printed at all because we have break the for loop altogether. And there you go, we found the smelly fruit, durian, and then we stopped because we break the for loop. Notice that the break statement is related to the for statement and not the if statement. Okay, this is just to consolidate the concept here. And the other one that we want to cover here is the continue. So we're doing a for loop again, range from 2 at the step of 1 all the way and including 9. If it's, remember this, okay, this is the remainder, okay. If n, the remainder of 3 is equal to 0, meaning is divisible by 3, print, I found a number divisible by 3, n, and then it continues, okay. Right, this is not very obvious how it works, so let's just run this and see if it actually make any sense or not. Right, so just another number when it's 2, okay, because it doesn't fulfill the if statement, so it go and print it. And then we iterate the second time, found a number divisible by 3, print 3, and then continue to for loop. Okay, this is the part that I want to highlight. The continue basically tells the for loop to continue to iterate to the next number. The for loop to continue with the next item, okay, and don't continue on with the print, okay, otherwise you're going to have found a number divisible by 3 and then just another number 3. Okay, so let me show you. If we remove the continue, this is what it looks like. You will have just another number being printed straight after found a number divisible by 3. Okay, hopefully that is clear. Now that I've removed the hash, which is means comment out. Once you actually have comment out, Python will not run anything behind that comment. It will run what's before it, but not what's after it. Okay, so hopefully that's useful for you to understand how break and continue and else works in this case. Else being covered here.